Unboxes Phoenix Models Air Tahiti Nui Boeing 787-9 with me. This model is really rare. I got it on eBay for a bid around $40. What is in here, you may ask? So I'm just going to open it. So this is the airplane. It also has landing gear, so I'm going to be adding this to my model airport. If any of you guys were wondering, I got it from Waffle Collectibles. It's only from Temecula, which is like really close to me, so it took like 2 days to ship. Pretty simple to open. Just pop out this. And look at this. Got a little thing. And look at it. It's really cool. This aircraft is really high detailed and only for $40 to steal. And there it goes, right into the gate.